Hello everyone. Good morning. My dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your places and enjoying your classes and doing your homework also. Yes, all are doing the homework and enjoying your classes. Yes or no? Yes, very good. Okay, in today's class, we will do the revision of ascending and descending orders. Okay, we will not do any new work today. We will only do the revision today. Okay, so bring out your notebooks quickly. Quickly. Yes, very good. Okay, now you have to write the date and day on your notebooks. Okay, today is 2nd July to 7 2021 and day is Friday. 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 Done? Okay. First of all, we will do the revision of ascending orders. Ascending order. Ascending order. Write the topic on your notebooks. Ascending order. Here is the first sum. 16 to 8. We have these three numbers only, 16, 2 and 8. The next is 14, 11 and 9. And the third sum is 12, 18, 15. Write these same numbers in your notebooks. After then we will do the solution. Okay, the first is 16, 2 and 8. Always keep it in your mind that one digit number is always smaller than two digit number. Okay. Okay, first of all tell me that what is ascending order? To arrange the numbers, yes, tell me. To arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. To arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. So from these three numbers 16, 2 and 8, we have to find the smallest number first and write that number here on the first place and the greatest number in the last. Middle number here. Okay. And always remember that number which is only one digit number is always smaller than two digit number. So here we have two numbers, only one digit, and this one number is two digit number. So two digit number is always greater than one digit number. So this is greatest number from these three. In सब में से, इन three numbers में से 16 is greatest. 16 सबसे greatest number है, बड़ा number है, तो we will write 16 here in the last because to arrange numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending. Here we will start from the smallest number and we will end it on the greatest number. Now we have only two numbers left. Yes, only two numbers we have now, 2 and 8. Tell me which is smaller and which is greater from these two. Yes, 2 and 8. 2 is smaller and 8 is greater. How? 2. If one boy have 2 candies and another have 8 candies, so who have more, 2 or 8? 8 candies are more than 2 candies. Yes. So 2 is less and 8 is more. Okay. So 2 is smallest number and 8 is greater. So we will write number 2 here and 8 in the middle. 2, 8 and 16. This is called ascending order. Okay. Done. Write these 3 numbers in this sequence. 2, 8 and 16. Okay. The next is 14, 11 and 9. Again here we have 2-digit number, 2-digit number and 1-digit number. So this is smallest number. We will write 9 here at the first place, at the smallest place. Now we have only 2 numbers left, 14 and 11. From these two we have to find that which is smaller and which is greater number. So we will see here, this is ones and tens, ones and tens. Which number is, which digit is placed on tens place are same. So we will see here on the ones place, 1 and 4. Which is greater from 1 and 4? 4 is greater. So we will write 11 in the middle and 14 in the last. 14 is greatest from these 3 numbers. 9, 11, 14. Done? Okay, the next is 12, 18 and 15. 12, 18 and 15. Here we have 3 numbers and all are 2-digit numbers. Yes? So we will see this on tens place. Here are same numbers 1, 1 and 1. Yes? So look at the numbers, digits which are placed on ones place. 2, 8 and 5. 2, 8 and 5, which is smallest number from these 3? Which number comes first in the counting? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number come first? 2, 8 or 5? Yes, 2 comes first. So 12 is the smallest number. And which number comes last? 5 or 8? 8 comes last in the counting. Yes. Okay. And 8 and 5. Which is more than other? 8 is more than 5. So 8 is greatest number. We will write it in the last and 15 in the middle. 12, 15 and 18. This is the correct sequence for the ascending order. Yes, done. Do it quickly. Now we will do it again. 24, 16 and 12. 32, 23, 36. We will do these two again in ascending order. 24, 16 and 12. Again we have to find out the smallest number to write here. 24, 16 and 12. We have not any number with one digit. Yes, one digit वाला कोई भी number नहीं है यहाँ. All are two digit numbers. So we will see the digit that are placed on tens place. Ones, tens, and ones, tens. Okay, which numbers are placed on tens place? We will compare that numbers only. So here is 1, 1 and 2. Yes, 1, 1 and 2. Which is smallest from these? 1 is smaller than 2 and we have 2, 1 here. How we will compare these two now? We will see the digit that are placed on ones place. 6 and 2. 2 is smaller than 6. So 12 will come first here. And now 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. So 24 is the greatest number. It will comes in last. And 16 in the middle. 12, 16 and 24. This is called ascending order. Next is 32, 23 and 36. Again we will see here on the digit that is placed on tens place. 3, 2, 3. 3 and 3, these both are same and 3 is greater than 2. So 23 is the smallest number and we will write the 23 here on first place. Now we have 32 and 36. 3, 3. These two are same. So we will see here 2 and 6. We will compare these two numbers now, 2 and 6. Which is smaller than other? Is 6 smaller than 2? No. 2 is smaller than 6. 2 6 से छोटा है. Then we will write 32 here and 36 in the last. I hope you all have done these 5 sums of ascending order. Doing? Okay. So do it fast. After that we will do the revision of descending order. Done? Good. Now open the next page of your notebook and write the topic descending order. Descending order. How we will do descending order? What are the descending order? To arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest is called descending order. To arrange numbers from greatest to smallest is called descending order. So let's start. The first is 24, 16, 2. 4, 16, 8. 10, 12, 9. Write the same numbers in your notebooks again. Now we have to find the greatest number from these three. 24, 16 and 2. See, 24, 16 and 2. 2 is one digit number. So this is smallest number. From these two, 24 and 16. We will compare these numbers, these digits which are placed on tens place, 2 and 1. So 2 is greater than 1. Yes. 24 is greatest number, 2 is smallest number and 16 is, yes, middle number. So these numbers are already in descending order. You can see 24 is greatest, 16 is middle and 2 is smallest number. So this is already arranged in descending order. 24, 16, 2. Answer is same. Yes? Understand? सबको समझ आ गया? Okay, the next is 4, 16 and 8. 16 is only number that is 2-digit number. Yes? 4 and 8 are 1-digit number. So 16 is the greatest one. Here we will write 16. Now from 4 and 8, which is the greater number, which is more in quantity? 4 or 8? 8 is more than 4. So 8 is greater number. So we will write 8 in the middle and 4 in last. 16, 8, 4. This is descending order. Okay, next is 10, 12 and 9. So here 9 is 1-digit number and these two are 2-digit numbers. So 9 is smallest. 9 will be in the last. We will write 9 in the last. Now here we have two numbers 10 and 12. 10 and 12. To compare the numbers we have to see 10's place number and these are also same again. Here is 0 and here is 2. 2 is greater than 0. So 12 is greatest number, 10 is middle and 9 is smallest. Yes, done. Understand? Okay. So the next is fourth is 23, 35 and 22. And the next fifth sum is 42, 38 and 45. See, in this sum, here we have only 2-digit numbers 23, 35 and 22. We will compare the digits which are placed on tens place. 2, 3 and 2. 2, 3 and 2. 2 and 2 are same. 3 is greater than 2. So 35 is the greatest number. We will write here on the first place. Now we have to compare 23 and 22. So 2 and 2 same. So we will see here on the ones place digits 3 and 2. 3 is greater than 2. So 23 is the greater number than 22. So we will write 23 here and 22 in the last. 35, 23, 22. This is descending order. Next is 42, 38, 45. Again we have three 2-digit numbers 4, 3 and 4. 3 is smaller than 4. So 3 is the smallest number. It will be in the last. 4 and 4. Same numbers. These are equal. So we will compare 2 and 5. Which is greater than other? 2 is smaller than 5. So 45 is the greatest number and 42 is the middle and 38 will be in the last as smallest number. So here we have arranged the numbers from greatest to smallest. This is called descending order. I hope you all understand about the ascending and descending orders. Yes? सबको समझ में आया? Very good. Now, my dear students, ma'am will send a worksheet to you as your homework. You have to do that and send the pictures of that worksheet to ma'am again. Okay, we will meet in our next class now. Bye bye. Take care.